Hello junior coders, welcome back once again. Welcome back. Hello everyone. Hello, my name is Gargi and I'm welcoming you to my coding channel Coding with Gargi. So guys, if you do remember in the last video of OOP, that is object oriented programming, do you remember? You should remember. So in the last video of OOP, we discussed many things about the object oriented programming. And in that video, I told you about the announcement, right? There was a special announcement. So what was the announcement? Did you remember? The announcement was that if you will give 100 likes to that video, then I will make another video about OP in very detail in an advanced level. So you have given me 100 likes, so thank you so much for that. And so today I am here to discuss the OP in a very detailed and advanced level. Now what are we going to do about the OP? So in this series of video we will learn 7 basic concepts of OP. We will learn about inheritance, we learn about polymorphism, we learn about abstraction, we will learn about encapsulation, we will learn about association, aggregation, we will learn about composition, okay? And these are the 7 pillars of OOP, object oriented programming. The words might be feeling like these words are okay, they are so difficult, the concept may also be so difficult, but no, this concept are very easy, okay? So today we will discuss about inheritance, okay? So we will understand these things in a very detailed and advanced level. So for that we will divide the video or every topic in 2 parts, okay? Like just like we will study inheritance, so inheritance topic will be divided into 2 parts. Which 2 parts? First we will understand the theoretical part, the theory part of it, and secondly we will do the practical coding of it. Like if once we understand what is inheritance, we will apply that in our coding part, okay? So today we will understand about inheritance theory part, and in the next video we will do the practical part of inheritance. Okay guys, so let us start with what is inheritance. Now inheritance is one of the basic concepts of OPs, okay, in which one object acquires the properties and behaviors of the parent object. That means, let us say I am doing coding about creating different types of mobile. Now many a times we come across like one object we have to create multiple times, right? Just like in our, let's say we are creating some app or something in which we have to create multiple mobiles. Sometime we might be creating multiple cars, vehicles, sometime multiple humans, right? Birds, something like that, right? So for that we will use the inheritance. Like being a coder, we will not write first for one vehicle, then secondly for second vehicle, thirdly for third vehicle. That would be a very long task and it would take a lot of time. So we will use the property inheritance. What we will do? First we will create the parent class. That means let us see if we want to create multiple mobiles. So first we will create the mobile class, okay? So in the mobile class, we will write some basic properties that every mobile has, right? Like every mobile has some basic properties like the camera, the call, the contacts. So that we will add in the mobile class. Now we will create, using that coding, we will create multiple child class, okay? Multiple objects, child classes, right? We will create for Samsung, right? That may be easy, right? Because mobile Samsung is also same, right? Then we will create for Nokia. Similarly we will create for any other mobile like iPhone, Redmi or anything, right? So this is how we will do it, right? So that makes our programming easy. So in the which one object acquires the properties and behaviors of the parent object, just like Samsung, Nokia are the child objects, and they are having the properties of the mobile class. Mobile class is the parent class and Samsung Nokia are the child classes, which will have the same code, so that we are not repeating the code and we are not wasting our time. It's creating a parent-child relation between two classes. So that means we will create one parent class and we will have some basic properties without writing the code in the child class. Just like the mobile class will have some code and we will use that code without writing the whole code in the Samsung class by using some relation. How we will do that we will understand in the next video of practical part. Today let us understand more about inheritance, okay? So let us understand by some real life examples, okay? So just like we have vehicles. Now vehicles have some basic, some common parts like the vehicle, they do all the transportation, they have the wheels, they are some common properties, right? So once we create the vehicles class, we can acquire the object, we can use the functions and the properties in the child class, just like we can use whatever we have written in the vehicles in the car class, in the bus class, in the bikes class, and so on. Similarly, if we are creating animals, so first we will create animal class. What animal can do, and then we will create a class for a dog class, cat class, and cow class. So that will make our work easy. Instead of writing every same code for every class, like for dog also, for cat also, for cow also, we will use the simple technique, okay. So if you have understood it very well, let us start with the quiz, okay? So let us start with the quiz. I will just do a quick recap what we did. So inheritance is nothing but the parent class and there are the child classes, okay? So the child classes will acquire the properties of the parent classes. Just like we see in the mobile class example, we will have one mobile class, and that class code we can use in the Samsung also, in the Nokia also. Similarly, if I have once created vehicles class, I can use the same code for the bike also, for the car also, for the bus also. Similarly, I have written the class for animal, I can use the same code for the cat, for the dog, for the cow, right? Okay, so here is the question. Which among the following best describes the inheritance? Okay, which of the following is the definition of inheritance? Option A, copying the code already written. Option B, using the code already written once. C, using already defined functions in programming language. Or D, using the data and functions into derived segment. And your time starts now. Okay guys, I hope you have done. So the correct answer is using the data and functions into derived segment. How? Let us see. Using the data and functions into derived segment is the correct answer, because we are using the data, right? We are using the code, we are using the functions, right, from our parent class, just like from our mobile class or from our vehicle class or from our animal class, into other classes that are nothing but the child classes, just like our Samsung, Nokia, or for car, bus, bike, or for dog, cow, right? For example, we will use the code written in vehicles for the car class, bus class, bike class, and so on. Just like I told you, we can use the code written in the animal class for the dog class, cat class, and the cow class. So that will make our work easier and faster. So the correct answer is using the data and functions into derived segment. Okay guys. So that's it for the day. Thank you guys, and in the next video we will talk about inheritance practical part. We'll understand how to relate the parent class and the child class. Okay guys, till then, bye bye junior coders.